Today we will walk through the process of reordering your blog posts on your WordPress website in less than 5 minutes. This guide is designed to help you quickly and easily change the order of the content on your site, all while using WordPress's built-in features. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you see the homepage, locate the login option at the top right corner of the screen. This login link is your gateway to all the administrative tools you need to manage your site. After clicking on the login link, you will be taken to the sign in page. Here you will notice an option that says continue with Google. This option is particularly useful if you prefer using your Google account for a seamless and secure login experience. When you click on continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to select the Google account you wish to use for signing in. Choose the account that is linked to your WordPress website, and you will soon be connected and welcomed into your WordPress dashboard. Once your dashboard has loaded, direct your attention to a section known as Quick Links. Within Quick Links, look for the option that allows you to edit site. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the configuration and customization area of your website. It is in this area that many of WordPress's intuitive features are housed, letting you tailor the look and feel of your site to better suit your needs. Inside the editor for your website, the next step is to find the navigation section. This area is where you can manage the layout and organization of the content on your site. By clicking on navigation, you open an interface that displays the pages and blog posts currently listed in your site's menu. The simplicity of this area enables even those new to WordPress to make changes without any technical hassle. Within the navigation editor, you now have access to a straightforward drag and drop functionality. This feature empowers you to reorganize the order of your pages and posts with ease. Simply click on the blog post or page that you wish to move, hold down your mouse button while dragging the item to your desired position, and then release the mouse button to set it in place. This method is both flexible and efficient, and it allows you to prioritize your content exactly as you envision it appearing to your visitors. This process not only helps you maintain an orderly site structure, but also enhances the overall user experience by making navigation more intuitive. Organizing content in a logical order can improve the time visitors spend on your site and make it easier for them to find the information they are seeking. By using this easy-to-follow method, you have gained the ability to make quick updates to your site's content order, ensuring that your most important blog posts always receive the attention they deserve. In summary, you begin by navigating to WordPress, clicking on the login option at the top right, and signing in with your Google account. Once logged in, head over to Quick Links to select Edit Site, and then move into the navigation section. There you use a simple drag and drop action to reorder the blog posts and pages so that your site is both visually appealing and user-friendly. This concise guide is intended to make the reorganization of your WordPress content as efficient and stress-free as possible. Enjoy the new flexibility and enhanced visitor experience that comes with a well-ordered website.